A very good morning to all of you. This is your maths class. Before starting our class, let us take a pledge. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. Today we are going to start our next exercise, exercise 4.2. Before starting our exercise, let us have a look on some points. First thing is types of set. We are having four type of sets: finite set, infinite set, singleton set and null set. What are finite sets? A set in which it is possible to list and count all the members. It is called a finite set. Means a set in which we can count the number of elements, number of members. That set is called a finite set. Next is infinite set, a set in which it is not possible to list and count all the members. It is called infinite set. Means a set in which we cannot count the number of elements. They are called infinite set. Next is singleton set, a set in which it is having only a single element. It is called a singleton set. What is null set? A set which does not contain any element or any member. That set is called null set. It is denoted by two symbols, that is phi or simple empty curly bracket. Next is cardinal number of a set. What is the cardinal number of a set? The number of distinct element in a finite set is called the order or cardinal number of the set. Means the number of members or the number of elements present in a set is called its cardinal number. What are the equal sets? Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element in any order. Means if two sets are having same element, no matter what is the pattern, what is the order of the elements, those sets are called equal set. Now come to our exercise. Exercise 4.2. Identify the given sets as finite, infinite, singleton or empty. The first one is set of 3-digit numbers. So we know that how many 3-digit numbers we have. So that is a finite set. Next is all positive number. We don't know what are the possible positive numbers we have. We have infinite positive number. So our answer is infinite. Next, x upon x is an integer less than -2. Means if x upon x is an integer less than -2, we are having number of integers. We cannot define what are the integers less than -2. So this is an infinite set. Next is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. That is a finite set. Next is x upon x belongs to w. Here w stands for the whole number. X is greater than 0 and x is less than 20. Means the value of x lies between 0 to 10. So it is a finite value. So our set is a finite set. Next is x upon x belong to w. Again w stands for the whole number. X is greater than 0. So we have so much numbers which are greater than 0. We don't know what is the last positive number greater than 0. So it is an infinite set. Next is b is equals to curly bracket m. M can be any number. It can be integer, positive number, negative number, 0 or whatever. So b is a singleton set. It is containing only one element or one member. That is called a singleton set. Set of leap year in 20th century. That is also countable. We can count how many leap years we have in 20th century. That is a finite set. Next is 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers are also finite. They start from 10 and ends at 99. So that is a finite set. Next is 2-digit numbers divisible by 100. That is a empty set or phi, because there is no 2-digit number which is divisible by 100. Next question is identify the given sets as finite or infinite. It is a finite, state the cardinal number. It is simple, you just have to check whether the set is finite or infinite, and you just have to count the number of elements. Next is state whether the following pair of sets are equal. So just you need to, first question is, the first set contains 36, 13, 57, 24 and 40. The next set contains 36, 24, 40, 57 and 30. The both sets are having same number of elements but in different order. So these are the equal set. Next, the first set contains 1, 2, 3 and the next set is 1, 2, 3 up to so on. We don't have the ending point of second set, so these sets are not equal. Next, the first set contain alphabets of word square and the second contain the words of races. So they both are equal, so they are equal set. Similarly, the rest of. Next is which of these are equal set. You just need to count. You just need to check the members of element. Then you have to write these sets are equal or not. I hope you all get the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.